Shout out to all my fellow foodies who love to be happy and satisfy their cravings for good food. It's time to learn some new cooking tips to save our time, make a food finger licking good, and help a family bond more and more. Tell everyone it's time to watch our favorite cooking show, Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show. Welcome to Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show. Tell everyone it's time to watch our favorite cooking show, Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show. Welcome to Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show.
Hello beautiful people, you're welcome to another edition of the Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show. I'm Chef Debbie, and as usual today I'll be showing you another beautiful recipe. In this video I'll be making chicken shrimp curry. This can be paired with your rice and other carbohydrates. It's a simple dish, but which is nonetheless tasteful and delicious. So what do we have? I have some pre-seasoned chicken breast cut up into bite sizes here. I have some vegetable oil, diced green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, carrots, pre-seasoned shrimps, 1 tablespoon of butter, minced garlic paste, garlic ginger paste, green onions, salt, seasoning cube, and cornstarch slurry. So this dish is very fast, simple, but delicious. So let's make it. So we start by heating up our pan, and when it's nicely heated up, we proceed with some butter. Yeah. Some vegetable oil. So I'll saute the shrimps first. I'll cook it on either side for 2 to 3 minutes a piece. So this I'm cooking it on either side, but we need to be careful not to overcook the shrimp, because then it becomes rubbery and difficult to chew. I need to change the position of my pan so as to get the maximum benefits of the fire here. Yeah, I think this here is better. So yes. You can hear the sound of the shrimp cooking, and it's beginning to bring out its aroma, which is beautiful. Wow. Take down the heat a bit. Sorry, I need to get a plate to put in my cooked shrimps. I can smell the butter. Wow, wow. Some smells cannot be quantified. The smell, the aroma of shrimp cooked in butter is definitely. So in the same pan, I'm going in with my chicken, pre-seasoned chicken. So I'm going to cook it until it's well cooked. Then I'll add in the other ingredients. So my chicken is cooking beautifully, and I'll just give it some few more minutes before I add in all the other ingredients. Like I said, this is very fast. Within 15-20 minutes the food is cooked, and I've already pre-cooked my rice. So I'm just going to, if you happen to have some pre-cooked rice in the fridge, you just bring it out and serve with this. Dinner can be ready within 30 minutes. The aroma is tantalizing. So I'll go in now with the ginger garlic paste. I also go in with some seasoning cubes. Some salt. I want to make sure that the chicken is fully cooked before I add in all the other ingredients. So now I go in with my bell peppers. The carrots. We give the veggies a few minutes to cook before we add in our cornstarch. So this is cooking down beautifully. It's a quick, easy dinner to fix for a weekday. The chicken is cooked down now, so I'll add back the shrimps. Yes. Then lastly, I'm going to add the cornstarch slurry. you just give it a toss and allow it to cook for like 2 minutes. We serve with our pre-cooked rice. And food is done. So I'm going to turn off the heat now and garnish with some spring onion. So our chicken shrimp curry is ready, and I'll clean up here and I'll plate for you to see.
Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show.
So my food is ready, and guess what? I'm the sole taster today. So I know it's good. I know it tastes good. So you can, I know you'll bear me witness that this tastes good. This is a good life. The vegetables are beautifully cooked, not soggy. The crunch is still there. And the shrimp and the chicken are also delicious. This is an easy meal to make when you're in a rush. And it's so satisfying. You can even make some in advance and keep it in the fridge for you to quickly microwave when you come home from work. I hope you will make this meal and let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm on Twitter, TikTok, and Facebook. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. By doing so, you're supporting me and telling me that I need to do more and give you more beautiful recipes weekly. So I look forward to hearing from you. Till another episode of the Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show. I say bye.
Shout out to all my